Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 2x plus 18. So do take note that 2 times x, 18. I could actually write 18 as 2 times 9. Am I right? And therefore, do you see that there is this common factor? 2. Oops, sorry, I'm going to use blue color. And so I'm going to extract out the common factor 2. And I'm left with my x plus 9. And we are done. Alright, let's move on to the next part of this problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to factorize 25x minus 5. Do take note for 25. I am going to write it as 5 times 5. Okay? There's a reason for it. And the 5, for this 5, right? Do take note, I'm going to write it as, oops, sorry. Weird. And for this 5, I am going to write it as 5 times 1. Alright, there's a reason for it, okay? Because then it helps me to actually identify the common factor 5. And I'm actually left with 5x minus 1. And we have successfully extract out the factor 5 and successfully factorize this particular expression. Thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for the next part of this problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to factorize 8ab plus 12ac. Then I realized that 8 and 12, what is the highest common factor? Yep, it will be 4. Both can divide by 4, so you will see me writing 8 as 4 times 2. I still write my AB there, okay? You will also see me writing 12 as 4 times 3. And therefore, from here, I would be able to extract out my common factors for. And is that the only common factor? I'm glad you know that it is not, because I see a variable a as the common factor as well. So I could extract that common factor a out. And that leaves me with 2b plus c. And we have successfully factorized this expression. Stay tuned for more, alright? Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to factorize 6y minus 10xy. So from here, you can see that 6 and 10 both can divide by? Brilliant, 2. And therefore, you will see me writing 6 as 2 times 3. You will see me writing 10 as 2 times 5. And now is the time to identify the common factor. I see a common factor 2. I extract out I see a common factor y. I also extract out. And I'm left with, 3 minus 5x. And we have successfully factorized this expression. Thank you for watching this video and feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to factorize negative xy minus 9xyz. And let's get started. Alright, so for this particular question, right, this is what I will actually write it down. Take note. I will write it as this. Okay, because then I could then rewrite this as negative 1. I'm going to rewrite it as negative 1 times 1. Still have my xy. There's the plus sign down there. And do notice my negative 9. I will rewrite it as negative 1 times 9. And why does Mr. Tan do that? It's because this will allow me to identify the common factors. Negative 1, I will write it as a negative sign. It is understood as negative 1. My x and my y. And I'm left with 1 plus 9z. And we have successfully factorized this expression. This is the end of the video and thank you for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 12x plus 8y minus 4z. These three terms. And I realized that the highest common factor of 12, 8 and 4 is 4. Meaning that you would see me writing 12 as 4 times 3 x plus, and you will see me writing 8 as 4 times 2 y minus, and you will see me writing 4 as 4 times 1. So that the common factor 4, I am going to extract 4 out. And I'm left with 3x plus 2y minus 1z. And we have come to the end of this part of the video. Stay tuned for the other parts of the video. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are required to factorize this expression. So, this is what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will, before I factorize, I will expand and simplify first. So you will see Mr. Tan writing 10 minus 8b, negative 8 times negative 2c will be positive 16c. And then I realize all can be divided by 2. So the next part here, to help you all to understand, you will see me writing 10 as 2 times 5 you will see me writing my 8s 2 times 4. Still got my b. You will also see me writing my 16 as 2 times 8, so that I will be able to extract out my common factor, which is 2. So you will see me writing 2 outside here. I have extracted out the common factor 2, and I'm left with 5 minus 4b plus 8c. And we have successfully factorized the expression into the two factors. 2 is one of the factor. The whole bracket 5 minus 4b plus 8c is the other factor. Alright, so stay tuned for the next part of the video. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to factorize this expression. And you will see me first expand and simplify this first, okay? So that later on we can then factorize neatly. This will become negative 2mp, negative 2m multiplied by negative 3q. I will get positive 6mq. Still got my plus 8mq. And then I saw that I could simplify the like terms, mq. So this will be equals to my negative 2mp. 6 plus 8, 14 mq. And lastly, let's start to factorize. And you would see me writing this down. I would write the (14) as 2 times 7, so that you can see me extracting the 2 out, extracting the common factor m out as well, because we are required to factorize this whole expression. So the 2m is the common factors. I'm left with negative p plus 7q. We have come to the end of this part, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button. And stay tuned for subsequent parts of this problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following expression. So I saw that there is a expression here that has bracket. So this is what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will expand and simplify this first. And to make it even easier for Mr. Tan to see this particular red color part here, 15 times x minus y bracket times z, I am going to rewrite it as 15 times z times x minus y. So at the same time, still have the plus 20, okay? So that I can then expand out 15z times x will be 15xz minus 15yz plus 20. And I notice that 15 and 20 I could or can be divided by 5. Yeah? So 15. You will see me writing 15 as 5 times 3. Okay, I will still continue to write the x and z minus 5 times 3. And the 20, I would rewrite 20 as 5 times what number? Brilliant! 4. So that is it. It is very easy for us to extract out the common factor. Okay? And the common factor would be 5 for all the terms. And that's the only common factor. And we are left with 3xz minus 3yz plus 4. And we have successfully factorized this expression into the factors 5 and the other factor is the whole bracket 3xz minus 3yz plus 4. Alright. So let's continue to the next part of the question. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are required to factorize the following. Alright, there are probably another way of doing things, but Mr. Tan here would like to first expand and simplify first. So for this part here, you will see me writing this down. I'm going to write as 2dx plus dy. I am also going to expand and simplify the other part of this expression. Negative 5d times positive 3x, negative 15dx, negative 5d multiplied by negative 1, positive 5d. And so, from here I do see a like term that I would like to simplify further, the dx term. So that will be 2 minus 15. That will give me negative 13 dx. I still have my positive dy and my positive 5d. And from here, you will then see that there's only one common factor out of all. Yep. D is the common factor, which I will extract out to give me a final answer, negative 13x positive y positive 5. And we are done. We have successfully factorized the expression into the following factors, d, and the other factor is the whole bracket, negative 13x plus y plus 5. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.